Hi, this is Jay with Jantech, and this is good stuff to know. Most commercial buildings, parking garages, or other structures will normally be equipped with a UL 924 emergency lighting inverter. These systems are designed to provide egress lighting in the event of a power outage for generally 90 minutes or better. Most of these systems are equipped with valve-regulated AGM batteries. These batteries will normally last about 4 to 6 years, but if the system is installed in a non-climate controlled area, you can expect less life out of the batteries. To ensure public safety, it's imperative that you perform some level of preventive maintenance and keep your battery replacements on a scheduled basis. One other fact about UL 924 emergency lighting systems is that in order to get that UL 924 listing, the manufacturer has specified batteries that will go into that system. You may very well void that UL listing if you don't stay with the same batteries that are under that UL 924 listing. So keep your employees, your clients, and yourself safe in the event you have a utility outage and you need to have proper egress lighting, or you may find yourself in the dark.